Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to our celebration assembly. And you'll see in front of me, I've got our Advent wreath because of course we're beginning to build up to Christmas. So I'm going to light the first candle because every Sunday in churches, people light the candles one by one to count down to Christmas. So I'm going to light the very first one, which reminds us of hope because we're hoping for special things. So here goes. There we are. There's glowing our very first candle, and next week I'll light the next one and so on. I've also brought in my rabbit from home because of course it's Break the Rules Day, and what you can't see is I've also got my wacky tights on. I wonder what you're doing, what special things you've done. Anyway, let's see also what special things you've learnt this week, and let's find our certificates. Over to the teachers now.
Hello Year 6, the certificates this week are going to go to Gabriella for her brilliant biography. It's really interesting to read all about Jennifer, and Ruby for her focus and dedication in maths.
Hello Lion class and hello everyone else. I've got two certificates today, and my first one is for Thomas. Thomas, you have done some fantastic handwriting this week. You're really focusing on making it neater and slightly smaller, and you're focusing on your spellings as well. So well done, fantastic effort this week and great progress. And my second certificate is for Zaki. Zaki, we had our PE lesson earlier in the week and you scored the winning shot that made your whole team win. So well done you were really proud, and so were we all of you. And Lion class, well done on another fantastic week. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.
Hi Total class. Today's certificates go to Syra. Your reading is getting really good and you've really been doing so well with your blending. Well done. And to Gion, you did some great accurate measuring of lots of different things using our little cubes all on your own. Brilliant. Well done Total class.
Good morning Gazelle class. This week I would like to give my certificates to Sebastian Wheeler for his fantastic science work, brilliant experimenting, fantastic write-up. Well done Sebastian, you put in so much effort and it was excellent to read. My second certificate goes to Dylan for making a beautiful picture of a Christmas card in his book. Well done Dylan.
Good morning. I've got two certificates that I would like to give today, and they are for Emma and Selena. Both of you, I've spotted you doing fantastic retelling of the story this week. You've used brilliant vocabulary, remembering some of the phrases from the story, and really impressed me with your use of punctuation. So well done you two, and well done everybody.
Good morning everyone, and a special good morning to our class. The first certificate this week is going to Bella for writing fantastic sentences in her English, using her finger spaces and remembering some capital letters and some full stops. So well done Bella, it was a lovely alternative ending to the Nutcracker story. And the second certificate is going to Nicole, and that is for your maths work this week. We did number lines for the first time this year and you were so great. You could take away using a number line and worked really hard this week. So well done Nicole, and well done to everyone, and have a lovely weekend.
Hello McCall class, thank you so much for a brilliant week. I've been really impressed with all your hard work, especially in our English lessons. So my two certificates this week are going to Laura and Una for writing the most amazing storm poem. It was full of fronted adverbials, alliteration, expanded noun phrases. You did an amazing job girls, well done.
Hello Seahorse class. This week the certificates go to Louise for trying really hard with her cutting this week. You've managed to cut out all sorts of shapes and made some fantastic pictures. And the second certificate goes to Josiah, who's been trying really hard with his writing, and it's been brilliant to see how full your whiteboard is every morning. Well done to both of you.
Hi Tigers, just wanted to say thank you very much for making such lovely Christmas cards today. You did a really good job. They were really well made, really thoughtful, and I really hope that the people get them, appreciate all the hard work that you put into them. So thank you very much for that, and let's hope everybody that gets them likes Pokemon, because we did have a bit of a theme going, didn't we? Well done, all of you, really pleased. This week's certificates are going to Reese and to Elise, and that's because today we were doing some complicated multiplication. We had to partition numbers and multiply by 10, and there were loads of things going on, and a few people got a bit confused, and Reese and Elise were really helpful. They stepped in to be extra teachers to help me out, and they did a really good job. I was listening to everyone that was helping, because there were a few other teachers as well, and Reese and Elise, your explanations were really clear and really helpful, and I know that your pupils said you were really good teachers, so thank you both very much. And to the rest of you Tigers, have a lovely weekend, and nearly Christmas. Less than a month now. Have fun. Bye.
Hi Antelope class. This week I'd like to give the certificates to Arthur for working so well on finding the perimeter of rectangles. You've done fab this week, so keep up the good work. And I would like to give my certificate to Daniel. Daniel, you've shown great enthusiasm for our comparative text writing, and your research was very thorough, which is paying off in the writing process. So excellent work and keep it up.
Hi Year 6, this week my certificates are for Sang Yoon because of all the contributions he made in class to our poem, and for Ariana because she did such a detailed design in DT.
Hello everybody, and a particular hello to Eagle class. This week's certificates go to Grace D because you have been an absolutely fantastic partner this week. Well done for working so hard with your partner, doing really great explaining and being really clear, so well done. And the other certificate goes to Luke. I was so impressed with your RE work today. You did a great meditation, you were really, really peaceful, and you came up with really good ideas for our lesson. So thank you very much for that. Well done, I'll see you all soon, bye.
Hello Squirrel class, nice to see you all. Here's the certificates for this week. Zayan, you deserve it for always working really hard. Your writing is really coming on and I am very pleased and impressed with it, and you should be very pleased, so keep it up. And Theo, you always work hard. You do everything that you're asked to do. You listen carefully. You show me your best work all the time. I love your maths. And just keep it up. I'm so pleased that you're both in the class. The rest of you, you're not too bad either. Have a good weekend. See you next week.
Hello everyone, I hope you are having a super week. This week I would like to give Emily a certificate because she has been doing phenomenal handwriting and did an excellent retelling of The Princess and the White Bear King. Well done to you, Emily. And the second person is Dolgan. Dolgan, you have been doing super maths and you have been taking away two-digit numbers from each other and really showing all your working outs on a number line. So well done to you, Dolgan. Have a lovely weekend, everyone.
Hi guys, hope we're all good. I'm just going to quickly tell you who the winners are for the Sports Award this week. We'll start down at the infants in Squirrel class. It's going to be Zara for really, really good positive attitude to learning in our PE lessons, both indoor and outdoor. So well done you, Zara. And at the juniors is going to be Yesayo. Now Miss Kinnear tells me that you need a really strong paced 10-minute run in your fitness lesson. So well done you.
Well, thank you to everybody, and I love seeing those in the bulletin as well for the parents to read. But now let's find out about birthdays. Who's got a birthday this week? And we've got a real mixture of ages. So Zach and Sam are 5, Yuju is 6, Aria and Max and Lucas are 7, and Leonardo is 8. And then one extra person, Aidan, is the oldest age of 11. So happy birthday here. Enjoy seeing your candles be blown out. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday, everybody.
Well, now let's look at attendance. And attendance is getting very close. We've only 2 weeks till the tea party. So let's see who's on track to win, although it could still all change. So, last week, Tiger was 3rd, Squirrel 2nd, and Fox and Gazelle an impressive first with 100%. So how does it all add up? Well, overall, Fox a third, Tiger second, Turtle, you're our youngest ones, but you're at 99.1%. Might be you that gets the tea party. Let's wait and see. Well, I'm going to ask a couple of children to say a prayer for us as we build up to Christmas. But before I do so, I want to wish you all a lovely rest of Break the Rules Day and a really lovely weekend as well. All the best. Bye for now.
Candle burn with golden fire in the darkest night. Jesus, help me follow you. Make my whole world bright.
Amen.